Hello, I'm back with another video, and it's going to be a glam look, a quick glam look. As I already said in the other video, you already know my routine, so if you want to know exactly how I use everything, you can check the previous videos. So please keep watching and do well to subscribe. Thanks, bye. A bit messy, but the aim is not like to create a cat eye, it's just to have a black, like to blend in the black with the purple, like a half wing, if we can call it that, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm going for. Okay, so now I'm done with this eye. I'm going to do this eye, then I come back into the finished look with you guys. Period. I don't get addicted to this, but I'm doing another one. This looks like the same color like the first one. This is it, and this is what I used in my previous video, but it look almost the same, but on the outside it doesn't look the same. Uh-oh, I think I hit too much. Oh, hey, now he's sneezing like that. Yeah, corona. I don't even draw it as finely as the Instagram girls do. But would this lip color go with my eyeshadow? This is the second color I'm using. Now let's go. I don't like this. Should we go in with a little concealer because it's looking a bit too red? I wanted it to come out brown. I don't know why it's giving off red. I like this. Wow, this is nice. But does this go with my eyeshadow? Okay, every mistake is a new style. People will start doing this. I like the lip color. And makeup is all about experimenting. Wow. So this is the finished look. Let's go in with our lip gloss. A glossy gloss. I like it. Okay, this is nice. Don't you think so? Comment down in the comment section. Tell me your thoughts on the lip gloss. Black girl and lip gloss, best friends. So this is the final look and I'm loving it. I like the lips so much. I don't know what to do to myself. This is just going to be difficult to take off. This hair to what? No, yeah. Wow, like who knew this lip combination would go with this eye combination? I always talk about my highlighter, like popping. Wow, I love this. Let me go and record my TikToks and things. Do well to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Goodbye. Bye.